This is a question on binomial. Part 1, we are asked for a term generator or a general term or r plus 1th term. So we just call it t subscript r plus 1, the r plus 1th term. So the power is 8, so 8 CR. Then the first term in the bracket is x squared on 3. Then raise it to the power of 8 minus r. Then the second term is 2 over x. Then raise it to the power of r. So now we want to group all the numeric terms together. So we have basically 2 to the power r over. Then we have 3 to the power of 8 minus r. Then x to the power of 2 times 8 is 16. And then we have 2 times negative r, that is negative 2r. And then 1 over x is basically x to the power of negative 1. We have negative r there, so altogether negative 3r. So this first part here is the part that gives you the numeric expression. All the coefficient, basically. Next part 2. We have to explain why x to the power negative 1 term does not exist. So I'll make use of this expression at the back. I equate that to x to the power of negative 1. Comparing the power, I have 3r equals 17. So r is equals to 5 and 2/3. So since the value of r obtained is not an integer, x to the power negative 1 term does not exist. Okay, there is a third part somewhere. Now we need to find the term independent of x in the expansion. So x to the power of, x to the power of 0 term. So the understanding is that if I have x squared term, then I'm looking for 1 over x squared term. So if we have that, then the x term, I should be looking for 1 over x terms. From part 2, we know this term does not exist. Then we need x terms here. So basically, the term independent of x, well, we need to be sure that we have those terms. Let's look for the x terms. So if it's x term, then it's x to the power 1 compared to x to the power of 16 minus 3. So I have 1 equals 16 minus 3r. So 3r equals 15. So r is 5. So there is the x term available. So I take -5 multiply to 8c5, and then 2 to the power of 5 over 3 to the power of 8 minus 5 is 3. Next, I will look for the 1 over x squared term, which is x to the power -2 terms. So comparing with the general part of x, so -2 equals to 16 minus 3r. So 3r is equals to 18. So r is 6. So that term exists as well. So the coefficient of x squared is 1. So 1 times. Now, I have 8c6 times 2 to the power of 6 divided by 3 to the power of 8 minus 6 is 2. Put this in the calculator. The value would be -132, 20 over 27.